everybody, how are you? I found this cute little video on on YouTube, and I wanted to share it with you. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? So she draws it out with a compass and things like that to make this shape. But I decided to find the shape in Cricut and create this. If you don't have a Cricut, I'm going to link a PDF file to this shape in my Facebook group. My Facebook group is called Donna, Powered by Creativity. If you join that group and go into the files, I will have this shape. And I think I will have it in multiple sizes. This one is like a 4x4, and it gives this cute little 2x2 flower, which you could put a little note in. How cute is that, right? And it's not hard to make. Once you get the fold ideas, you'll be fine. And I'm going to try to walk you through this slowly. And you can use your scoreboard. So let's see what I can show you. Okay. I'm going to take my flower, and on my scoreboard, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, on my scoreboard, every 2 flowers, I'm going to score the line. So I'm going to line it up here, and then I'm going to line that up here, and I'm going to score it. I'm going to turn it, 1 click, and do the next 2 lines. So I think what I'll do is, on this one, I think I will use oh, you can actually see the score marks. Okay. So then I'm going to turn it 1 click and line them up. Okay? I'm going to line them up. So, see how I'm getting that? Now I'm going to turn to that flower, and I'm going to line it up. Zoom out just a little so that you can see where I'm lining everything up. Okay? Yay! Oh, there we go. I'm going to turn it 1 flower, and I'm going to line them up. See how I'm lining them up? Do it again. So it's the point of the flower to the point of the flower. And then all of a sudden you realize you're done. Okay. Yay! So you see all my score marks? Not hard. Now what we have to do is, from each top circle of a flower down to that mark, we have to make score marks. So this is what I found. If I just line up where I think it is, I kind of take the point of that and feel from my score mark. And then I know I'm there. Okay, so now I know I'm in my score mark. I center my circle as best I can, and you can do that by looking at your marks on your scoreboard. I know this might sound hard, but it's really not. And then you just go forward. Okay? Now I'm going to turn it to the next petal. I'm going to find my score mark. Now I know I'm in there. and I'm going to score upward. Same thing with the next one. I'm going to find my mark on the scoreboard, and I'm right about there. Done. Now I'm going to find my next one. Oh, and there's Chancey Man. There's Chancey Man. Barking. I don't know where he's barking at. My husband just took my car to be washed. It was filled with snow. Dirty snow. The nor'easter that's coming up the coast, I think on Tuesday, will probably miss us. Okay, now everything is scored. So this is what we will do next. Those first folds that we did, we're going to just fold them, okay? And then fold it again. Go one flower, fold it. One flower, fold it. Right? One flower, fold it. So those were the first score marks that we just made. So your flowers should look like this. Yay! Okay? And if you go the other way, it looks like that. So all those first score marks, we're going to fold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep folding them. Okay? So they're all folded. Now all of these score marks, fold them out. Just give them a little crease. Okay? So each flower, fold backwards. See the way I'm doing that? Just each petal. Isn't this great? This was actually very therapeutic. I love this. Ta-da! How easy was that? Now, this is what we need to do. I'm going to bring in my other one. So, basically, what we want to do is each one of these points, sorry, I couldn't get my word out, start folding them around. And as you fold your circle around, the points come out. So sorry. This is a difficult part to explain. Let me try this again. So, see how they're folding into each other? So in order to fold into each other, they have to all come outward. So as they come outward, just press them in. And those little corners, don't be afraid. Don't force your papers. It'll automatically start to take shape. So basically what I did was, do you see that? All my little triangles go in and all my points come out. And then I just start pushing them in the direction of a flower. Look at that. So then once you get that down, give it a good press. And you're done. Look at that. Do you see how we did that? After we folded, creased everything, it becomes very simple to do. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a large one on a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And I will speed this video up. Alright, I'll be back at the end. Ta-da! This is what I did for you guys. These are different size templates that I cut out and I'm going to load as a PDF file. I know I'm repeating myself, but the file will be in my Facebook group, Donna Powered by Creativity. I'll leave them in there. You know, print them out as often as you want, as many times as you want. This one I took and I actually drew out the template for you. So that if you follow me on the video, you will see it, but now you will have a printed version of your score lines. I know it looks difficult on here, but just remember, It's not. It's the two halves of the, petals, the other petals, and you just keep going around. Watch the video and you will see. So this is one set of templates. This is another one. This way you have multiple sizes if you don't own a Cricut. If you own the Cricut, I will link my Cricut mat underneath this video. So all you have to do is click on it, and because they're free images within Cricut, you have the design. I added these. I added a bigger one. And then I did this. This here is for a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And if you cut them out, you got to cut 2 of these out. And then just put them on a 12 by 12 piece of paper and trace them out. I hope you're following me. I hope I said that right. So if you cut both sides out, tape your template together, put it on your 12 by 12 designer series paper or your 12 by 12 cardstock, trace it out, you'll have the image, the bigger image. So that's why there's 2 of these. You can only cut out one, then print it twice, but I gave you both sides. So these will be the templates that will be in the files on my Facebook group. I hope I explained that all okay. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know if you did it, you like it, if it was too hard, too easy. Not too easy, nothing could be too easy. Whether or not you enjoyed it. And again, thanks for watching.